Hi, I'm from Team Code Cult. We have built Green Server. The main concept behind our project is to monitor servers before they fail. Users can get instant alerts and email notifications when their server goes down, or they can set custom thresholds for their CPU, disks, or memory to get an email notification. So, how our project works? There are mainly three components. One is a Python CLI tool which the user have to install and run in their server they want to monitor. And there is the main backend and database which is mainly pulling up the whole work which is built on motia for all the synchronous jobs like getting the metrics, then calculating if there is any threshold, like it already surpassed the threshold, then triggering the email notification. All this is done by motia. Then there is supabase for database, and the front end is built on nextjs. So first the user have to register here. After registering with the same credential, they have to log in the website as well as in their server. To set up our CLI in the server, they have to clone the project in their server. Then they have to install the dependency and have to run this command greenwatcher login. I have to use the credential. I have already registered an account. I will log in with that. So as you can see, it is authenticating and logging successful. After that, to get the metrics from the server, user have to run this command. It will periodically fetch the metrics from the server and it will push to our backend. Now, if the user log in with the same credential, the user will see a dashboard where he can see the CPU utilization, memory utilization, and disk utilization. As you can see, there is graphs, utilization, speeds, processes, and it updated periodically. Gets updated periodically and can see the health of the server, can monitor the load on the server in peak times. And in our project, there is a interesting feature where maybe a user can have two different servers, like one local, one AWS server. So for that, user can log in with that CLI tool in all of those servers, and those server will show up in the select server section. So whichever server the user will select, that matrix will show up in here. Okay. Now the user can set alert thresholds. What is this? So user can set like 80 for CPU threshold. That means when the CPU of the server will go above 80%, it will send a alert mail to the server which will look like this: monitoring alert from Gin servers. Okay, so it will show the host name for identifying which server got that alert, and it will show that current usage. So on this alert, the user can take decision to maybe restart the server, or maybe they have to upgrade the server or not. Any decision they can take. So this is our project. Thank you.